In this lesson, you will learn how to simply introduce yourself, telling your name, your job, and your nationality. Also, we will practice how to say to be verb in Korean. Now, time to learn casual expressions, which is even shorter than the formal ones.
안녕하세요, 아루사입니다. Hi, this is 아루사.
I in a casual way is na, na, the short sound, na. And as a subject in a sentence, 나는, 나는. Or we say 난, 난. 아루사야. So ya is to be verb. Ya. To be verb in the present tense, in a casual way, we have two forms. Ya and 이야. 야, 이야. 난 아루사야. 난 케빈이야. 이야, 야. So can you guess how to differentiate the use? Yeah, that's right. So the letter that comes before the to be verb has the third character, then it's 이야. But it ends without the third character or it ends in a vowel sound, like 아루사, 사, then you put 야. What's your name? Yeah, put ya or iya. Let's say my name is Natsumi. It's a Japanese name. Natsumi. Me, E ends in E sound and doesn't have the third character. So Natsumi, ya. If my name is Jungkook, you know who Jungkook is. Jungkook, guk, g sound. The third character, so Jungkook이야. 난 정국이야. So 난 정국이야 means I'm Jungkook, but you want to say my name is Jungkook, then 내 이름은 정국이야. 내 이름은 아루사야. My name is 아루사. 내 이름, my name. Formal way, 제 이름, 내 이름. Well, let's say this means formal and this means casual. So, 내 이름, 제 이름. 내 이름, 제 이름. 내 이름은 아루사야. 내 이름은 나츠미야. 내 이름은 케빈이야. Cool? And now about your job. 난, I am, or 나는 코치야. 나는 코치야. We don't put indefinite article before a job. So just say 나는 코치야. 나는 가수야. 나는 백수야. 나는 경찰이야. 경찰, the third character. So, 이야, 경찰이야. Nationality. 나는 한국 사람이야. 이야. 한국 사람이야. 프랑스 사람이야. 스페인 사람이야. 나는 country name 사람이야. You can practice now. 나는 인천에 살아. live in a casual way. 살아. But we have to make a linking sound. 살아, like the name Sarah, right? 살아. 나는 인천에 살아. 나는 베이징에 살아. 나는 where do you live? 나는 뮌헨에 살아. 나는 런던에 살아. 런던에 살아. Now you can say your name, occupation, and nationality, and where you live. The 4 sentences that tells about you is completed. Yoo-hoo! What is my name in Korean? 이름이 뭐야? 어디 살아? 무슨 일 해? 어느 나라 사람이에요? How are you learning Korean language? Are you having a fun time or tough time? So, well, I'm trying my best to give an easy explanation and the easy and fun way for you to practice and learn Korean language. Hopefully, I'm doing my job right. Now, you can say hello in Korean, you know, the formal and casual way. And also, you can introduce yourself in Korean. I'm so proud of you. And you should be proud of yourself too. I did a great job. I'm doing a good job. You guys rock. You rock! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and continue learning Korean with me, please hit the buttons. 구독, 좋아요, 감사합니다.